But I can't hear you. You were saying? You were saying?
I'm asking for, I need 6 rand to take a test at home. I got 4 rand. I want to go back straight at home, not stay here by town, because they arrest us. So I'm washing the cars, I'm a coward.
What's happening?
You see, when you're walking by the streets, when you say like me like that, because I got no clothes like that, they think you are escorting, they arrest you, they take you here in town, they leave you on Marispec, and then you come back from Marispec with your legs. Hey, fine, I got a problem. All they arrest us. You see now, it's a quiet now, but 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock to 7 o'clock, they arrest all people like me. Like this guy washing the car, they took us all. They say you wash your car for the road, they took us all. So I don't like to do this thing to me. I want to take a test to go back at home to my child, to find a job at home. I'm there by last me. Yeah, but I got a problem.
Who came up with this?
It's Bheki Cele, minister.
Who's
Bheki Cele, you know, that's the soldier guy, a long guy, that's ANC one, on the parliament. That never wants black people. He never liked black people. Bheki Cele. The way he was a minister from other days, yes, but they returned back now. He returned on the hair place now. Yeah, he took the Zuma place. So that's why. He came, he wants a vote, he wants a big vote. To say, hey, Bheki Cele is working, he's working. He took all Scotland here on the road. He said, put on all our and then throw you, send you away. Never come back here in the town. You see now, I'm tired now. I was walking there by Marispec now. Walking like a, hey, bro.
So this Bheki Cele guy,
sorry.
What is his position?
What?
Bheki Cele, what is his position?
It's look for like a captain of a police, captain of a policeman, all policemen. But now he never get this position for police now. He just rule all the world like ANC, like a government now. He take this position. Cause Zuma, I think now Zuma is quit, but they push Bheki Cele to rule all the world. So that's why the government now is gonna be Bheki Cele. Nothing we're gonna say, but we still vote. He wants a vote, a big vote, to work with us, to take us all. Yeah, when they come there, Parliament, he will receive the paper. There's a paper. I took all his content on the road and then I put him on jail. So I need my position. He could do like that with us. So he take us, he use us. See, he leave us on the rock there by the mountain, Marispec. It's the first time I see that place. Dangerous place there by Marispec. They leave a dump you there. So they go, they dump you. See? So I'm stressed on my head. I don't know whatever to do now. Because I don't have money to take a test at home. So that's why I need to wash a car to get the money to go back at home. I don't like to stay there because this life is too bad.